Are you looking for some quick and easy ways to get a strength workout in? You don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of equipment, you don't want to go anywhere. Maybe you're traveling. I have just the thing for you. This is another one of the workouts in my 21-day Spooktacular challenge for October. On Mondays, we always do strength. It's always a circuit, and this exercise is no different. For this, you're going to need a set of dumbbells and some space to work, and of course, your water bottle. Let's get right into this. Quick movement review here. 4 movements. They are the deadlift with dumbbells. Deadlift is hinge back with the hips. Remember, it's not a squat. Your knees are soft, but you're hinging from your hips, bringing the dumbbells down to about knee height or a little lower maybe, depending on your mobility in your hips. And to come up, you push through your heels and the back of your legs, and you stand. Coming down, same way. That's our deadlift. Next up, bicep curls. Locking your elbows to your side. We're going to lift first this way. This is a traditional bicep curl. Then we're going to turn so that our thumbs are up, and we're going to do a hammer curl. Then we're going to turn again so our palm is up. This is a great forearm exercise. So that is our bicep curl set. Next up is an overhead tricep extension. And so you can see what I'm doing here. The only thing that's moving is from my elbows to my hands. My shoulders aren't moving. Nothing else is moving. Overhead tricep extension. Last movement, we're going to do a goblet squat, but we're going to do a wide stance goblet squat. So remember, hips go back first, even though it's a wide goblet squat. You can also modify these by using a chair or a traditional squat stance if the wide stance isn't for you. Let's get started. Our format today is 10 repetitions of each exercise, and we're going to do 2 complete rounds for the circuit. So first up, deadlift, feet hip distance apart, knees soft, hips soft, back flat, hinge back hips, nice and slow. That was 8. And 10. And next up is our bicep curl. We're going to start with a traditional curl. We're going to do 5. Now this time, position so your thumbs are pointing up. Hammer curl. And turn so the back of your hand is up. Reverse curl. Don't forget, you can modify these as you need to. Okay, putting one dumbbell down, going into the tricep extension. So nice tight core, hands overhead. Only thing moving is my elbow, from my elbow down. Okay, and now shifting in to our wide goblet squat. Remember, with the goblet squat, you hold the dumbbell very close to your chest. And last one. Okay, round two. Picking up the dumbbell again. Deadlifts. Get in that good deadlift position. Last one. Getting in position for our curls. Traditional curl first. Switching it up, hammer curl. And turning back of the hand up for a reverse curl. Putting the dumbbell down. Getting ready for our tricep overhead. Here we are on 8. Going into our wide goblet squat. Last movement. And we have completed this week's strength workout. You can do anywhere, anytime. Keep this one in your toolbox. It's a good one to pull out when you just want to do something real quick. Don't have a lot of time, don't want to go anywhere. This will fit the bill. I hope you enjoyed today's video. This again is one of our October Spooktacular challenge videos. It gives you a taste of the type of things that we do in our challenges. Every month there's a 21-day challenge. Every month is different. They're usually themed based on the month. This was Spooktacular. November is going to be themed around Thanksgiving. So links in description. Check it out. Join in our next month. We hope to see you there. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us continue to bring you content like this. So subscribe, drop me comments, let me know what you thought, let me know what you'd like to see, or just say hi. And most importantly, see you next time online.